Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let you say that to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving me the grace this I can complete my research paper. And I would like to supervisor one is Miss Yanwarti Apsari SPD MPD, and supervisor two is Mr. Iman Santoso SPD M Home. And let me introduce myself. My name is Sining Dewi Afriani. My ID number is 18220140. My education is English Education Study Program, Faculty of Language Education, IKIP Silwangi 2022. And my title paper is Developing Descriptive Text Material Using Discovery Learning Assisted by Canva. Okay, next slide is presentation content. Point 1 is background of the research, and point 2 is objectives of the research, and point 3 is research methodology, and point 4 is the conclusion of the research. And next slide is background of the research. Writing is an important skill to master because our lives cannot be separated from communication. Communication can be in the form or oral and written. The importance of writing is also supported by Harvard 1991, which states that there are 4 reasons to teach writing. And discovery learning is a learning model that tends to ask students to make observation, expert, or scientific action to get conclusion from the result or this scientific action, according Pazeri 2019. And Smaldino et al. 2015 state that visual in the classroom, including Canva, can serve a variety of purposes, such as 1. To make abstract ideas concrete, 2. Motivation students, 3. Gives direct attention, and 4. To repeat information, and 5. Recalling previous knowledge, and point 6 is reduce learning effort. Okay, next material is objectives of the research. And point 1 is investigate the process of developing descriptive text teaching material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. And point 2 is find out the feasibility of descriptive text material using learning assisted by Canva. And point 3 is investigate teacher and student response to descriptive text teaching material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. And point 4 is investigate the obstacle in developing descriptive text material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. Okay, next material is research methodology. Research method. According to Sugiono 2013, point 297, the research and development method is a research method used to produce a particular product and test the activeness of the product. Thus, the research on the development of this module learning device choose the development model proposed by Sugiono. And research design, researchers choose the ADI model because the ADI development model is effective, dynamic, and supports the performance of the program itself. According to Warsita 2011. Point 7. The purpose of this research is to produce a product where the resulting product is meant to be perfected, so that it can be used to support the activities of the learning product process at school. And subject of the research subject are students 7th grade in the second semester of SMP Tahfiz Al-Azkar Suhada for the 2021 or 2022 academic years. There were 46 students who were used as trial in this study. Then the researcher divided 46 students for the broad test and 2006 students and 20 students for the limited test. And the instrument of the research is file note, questionnaire, and interview. And data collection file note, questionnaire, and interview. And data analysis techniques is the categories of score on the Likert scale according to SON to 2014. Fine 1, 8, 2 are described in the following table. Score and category. For score 4 is very agree, score 3 is agree, and score 2 is disagree, and score 1 is very disagree. Next slide is the result of the research. Research 1, the process of developing descriptive text material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. Point 1 is analysis. At the stage of analysis, it aims to find out the problem faced by student is learning English. Point B is this design. In design learning media, it is done through there's 3 stages, namely is design content, design learning activities, and design media. And C, development. There are 3 steps in the developing stage, namely the developing learning activities, validation, and modular revision. And D, implementation. At this stage, we discuss the use of Canva-assisted media for students after the media created has received advice or input from validation expert. And C, evaluation. The result of the evaluation conducted by the English teacher will focus on Canva-assisted learning media, but in terms of design as well as the content of descriptive text material in the media. And the second result of the researchers to the feasibility of developing descriptive text material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. And point 1 is media expert validation. In this media expert test, then will assess the design or media design that has been made. The media expert who validated this media product was Mr. Iman Santoso, SPD Hum. And point 2 is material expert validation. This material expert was focused on assessing the content of the material content in the media. The material expert who validated this Canva-assisted media was Miss Yanuarti Apsari, SPD Hum. And point 3 is teacher and student response toward developing descriptive text material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. Point A, teachers' responses toward the products, and point B, students' responses. Okay, and the next slide is the result of researchers. Point 3. Obstacle developing descriptive text material using discovery learning assisted by Canva. The obstacle faced in the researchers in the development stage because at this stage the researchers must develop the material that has been collected to be adapted to the manufacture of learning media. After that, the researcher must also recorrect the media developed before it is validated. If it is appropriate, the product is ready to be validated. Researchers also have to create the validation questionnaire for media experts, material expert, and also teacher and student responses to Canva assisted learning media. Okay, next slide is conclusion. As for the conclusion for the researchers and development carried out, it can be stated that 1. The process and result of this developing a learning module for writing descriptive text with the help of Canva. Despite going through several obstacles, it was finally completed using the ADI development model from Sugiono 2015.200, which contains 5 stages, namely analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. And find 2. The feasibility of validity of the text writing learning module with the help of Canva based on the accumulated assessment of the validation sheet has been concluded to get a score of 75% with other categories in the validity criteria being good. And 3. The responses of teacher and student to the learning module for writing descriptive text assisted by Canva according the questionnaire, but indicated very well. The teacher response collected a score of 80%, while the students' response saw result 95% for extensive trials and 95% of limitation trials. And 4. The obstacle in developing the learning module for writing descriptive text assisted by Canva is at the development stage, because at the stage the researchers must develop the material that has been collected to be adapted to the manufacture of learning media. After that, the researcher must also recorrect the media that was developed before being validated. If it is appropriate, then it would be tested on students. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.